हेलो एवरीवन ओम सर कोचिंग को तुम मानक स्वागत। आज आम दशम श्रेणी इंग्लिश बहिर द बेगर क्वेश्चन आंसर को डिस्कसन करवा। ताहले आरंभ करवा प्रथम कॉम्प्रिहेंशन चेक रु। एक नंबर क्वेश्चन देछि, हु आर द कैरेक्टर्स डिस्क्राइब्ड इन दिस पार्ट ऑफ द स्टोरी, व्हाट डू दे डू? आंसर हेबो द कैरेक्टर्स डिस्क्राइब्ड इन दिस पार्ट ऑफ द स्टोरी आर सर्जी एन एडवोकेट एंड लस्कॉफ ए बेगर। सेकंड क्वेश्चन, व्हाट कंट्री आर दे फ्रॉम? How do you know this? Answer हेबो they are from Russia. We know this from the word kopecks, which means 1/100th of a ruble, and ruble is the Russian monetary unit. Third question, what did the beggar look like? Answer हेबो the beggar wore a ragged and fawn colored overcoat. He had dull drunken eyes and had red spots on either cheek. Fourth question, did Sergi get angry with the beggar? Why? Answer हेबो yes, Sergi got angry with the beggar. It was so because the beggar was lying to him. He said that he had been a school teacher and lost his job. Then he said he had an offer of a position in province of Kaluga for which he needed money. But 2 days before he had told him that he had been a student and had been expelled. Fifth question, do you think the beggar was lying? What made him tell lies? Answer हेबो yes, I think the beggar was lying. He is being addicted to excessive drinking and consequently losing his job of a singer in a Russian choir and being out of work made him tell lies. Sixth question, did Sergi help the beggar to find work? What kind of work did he suggest to the beggar? Answer हेबो yes, Sergi helped him to find work. He suggested to the beggar that he should chop wood for him. Seventh question, the advocate asked the beggar to do hard work like chopping wood. Was it a punishment or a help? Answer हेबो doing hard work like chopping wood was no punishment, since in those days even skilled woodcutters were out of work. Eighth question, do you think the beggar would give up begging and work for Sergi? Answer हेबो yes, I think the beggar would give up begging and work for Sergi since he seems to repent of his habit of drinking and telling lies. एबे आमे सेकेंड कॉम्प्रिहेंशन चेक रो क्वेश्चन आंसर को डिस्कशन करिबा। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन देछि, व्हाट इज दिस पार्ट ऑफ द स्टोरी अबाउट? डिड लुस्कॉफ एग्री टू चॉप वुड फॉर सर्जी? आंसर हेबो this part of the story is about Luskop's ordeal of chopping wood in spite of his not feeling the slightest inclination for toil. Yes, he agreed and chopped wood for Sergi. Second question, what did Sergi see from the window of the dining room? Answer हेबो from the window of the dining room, Sergi saw the cook and the beggar come out into the yard by the back door and make their way across the dirty snow to the wood shed. He also saw Luskov sitting on a log and become lost in thought. Third question, what other work did Luskov have to do besides chopping wood? Answer हेबो besides chopping wood, Luskov had to shovel snow, put the wood shed in order and beat the dust out of the rugs and mattresses. Fourth question, what kind of person was Sergi? Kind or cruel? How do you know this? Answer हेबो Sergi was really kind-hearted. He felt a little sorry and ashamed of himself for having set a spoiled, drunken, perhaps sick man to work at manual labor in the cold. Fifth question, Sergi said, well, I am happy that my words have taken effect. Why did Sergi say so? Is he right in saying this? Answer हेबो Sergi is right in saying this. He felt that his words had brought about a profound change in Luskov and reformed him. He said this when he found Luskov sober, gloomy, and silent while doing the work assigned to him properly at the time of his moving into another house. Sixth question, did Luskov know how to read and write? What did Sergi want Luskov to do to earn money? Answer हेबो yes, Luskov knew how to read and write. Sergi wanted Luskov to do some copying sincerely so that he could earn money and live peacefully. 7th number question, do you expect that Luskov will get a better job and he won't come to Sergi to chop wood. Answer ହେବ I very much expect that Luskov will get a better job and won't come to Sergi again to chop wood since we know he has turned over a new leaf and realized his folly. And here a new leaf meaning improved his conduct. एबे आमे थर्ड कॉम्प्रिहेंशन चेक रो किछि क्वेश्चन आंसर को आलोचना करिबा. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन व्हेन एंड वेयर डिड सर्जी मेट लुस्कॉफ हाउ वाज लुस्कॉफ ड्रेस्ड. आंसर हेबो सर्जी मेट लुस्कॉफ 2 years later at a theater. Luskov was wearing a coat color of curly fur and worn sealskin cap. Second question what work did Luskov do then? How much salary did he get every month? Answer ହେବ then Luskov did the work of a notary, that is he drew up or attested contracts, protests, bill of exchange etc. Every month he got a salary of 35 rubles. Third question did Sergey become happy to see the former beggar in a different form? How do you know this? Answer ହେବ yes, Sergey became overwhelmed with joy to see the former beggar in a different form. I know this from Sergey's statement that Luskov was his godson and he was proud of pushing him along the right path. He also regretted that he had given him a lot of roasting. Fourth question was Luskov very grateful to Sergey? Which statement says so? Answer ହେବ yes, Luskov was deeply grateful to Sergey. His statements that if he had not gone to him, then he might still have been calling himself a teacher or a student to that day, and that he had dragged himself out of a pit by flying to his protection. This shows his deep sense of gratitude to Sergey. Fifth question who really saved and changed the beggar's life and how? Answer ହେବ Sergey the advocate really saved and changed the beggar's life by making him undergo a lot of hardship, giving him a push along the right path, and by giving him a roasting, that is, by talking angrily to him in order to tell him that he disapproved of his behavior. Sixth question what made the beggar stop drinking? Answer ହେବ Olga's reminding the beggar that there was nothing but ruin for him. Her suffering and many tears she shed for his sake, and above all, her words and noble deeds made him stop drinking. Seventh question which character in the story do you like most? Support your answer with suitable reasons. Answer ହେବ in the story I like Olga the cook most. The beggar's profound change into a respectable notary was possible only for her. She was full of kindness for Luskov, chopped the wood for him all along, suffered misery for him. ए थिला आजिर प्रश्नोत्तर वीडियो. जदि वीडियोटी भल लगी थाए वीडियो को लाइक करंतु एवं एमिति सब विषय प्रश्नोत्तर पाइबा पई ओम सर कोचिंग चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दियंतु.